If you have a Google form and you would like to unlink it from the Google Sheet that has the responses, if you go to that form, go to Responses, you can go here to Unlink the form. Once you unlink that form, it separates this form from the Google Sheet where the responses were. So if you want to go in and collect more responses, you'll go here and you'll choose a response destination, and you can either put a new sheet in an existing spreadsheet, or you can make a completely new spreadsheet in order to collect your responses. So hopefully this will help you.